This is a 3S space heater, 1500 watts, 10-inch. They make a number of sizes. This is a small version and it's excellent for those wintry days. It's portable. So let's open it up, show you what it's all about. Comes in a plastic bag and an instruction manual as we take it out of the plastic bag. Carefully go over the instructions on how to use your product. We're given a long cord, at least 3 to 5 feet. We plug into an AC outlet. We have a top cover with the on and off switch and temperature controls and LED light, a fan in the back of the unit, and the heater in the front with the remove sticker as we peel off. The color is yellow. It tilts up. Check online for further detail about the product. We have 3 speeds: off, a fan, and so forth. We have 3 speeds to the unit. It will not turn on unless you adjust the thermostat. As you can see, we are adjusting. It clicks on, and we hear it blowing. As we want heat, we turn the next knob. And heat is beginning within 5 seconds. We have rubber plastic feet that should prevent this from sliding and moving. And we adjust to the highest temperature. As we adjust the thermostat, it will click off until it gets cold and click back on. When it reaches a cold temperature, it will click back on like so. And then when the temperature is reached, it will shut down automatically. If the unit starts to fall or tip over, it will continue to run and shut off after it tilts down. It has an auto safety feature that takes a number of seconds to shut down. And when correctly turned over, it will start back up. When you're finished with the unit, please turn it to the fan, allow it to cool down, and then shut down. Air Choice 10-inch circular heater, 3S. Will heat up a small room, portable room, anywhere you need to have heat, by your desk, office, anywhere that you want to have heat. If you have a portable power station, please make sure you have the proper amperage to run the unit. I hope you enjoy your product if this is something that you are looking for to heat up your area.